Good morning, students. So today we are going to learn how to find square of a number using identity. So few questions I have selected from your exercise 6D. So question number 1, square of 54. So 54 whole square. It can be written as 50 plus 4. 50 plus 4 is 54. So we will be doing the square of 50 plus 4 using identity a plus b whole square. Why a plus b whole square? Because here it is plus sign and here is whole square. So the identity is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So in place of a we will take 50, in place of b we will take 4. So here I have written now a square means 50 square plus 2 into a, that is 50, b that is 4, plus b square, that is 4 square. After squaring, multiplying, this you will get, and after adding, the answer is 2916. So this is your answer. Now next, 704 whole square. So for 704 whole square, we can express 704 as 700 plus 4. In the similar way, you can take the value of a as 700 and b as 4 and apply this identity and then solve it. That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. After simplifying, this you will get. If you want to recheck this, you can multiply 704 into 704 and just verify whether the answer is correct or not. Now another way also we can find this. Suppose 69. So square of 69 you have to find, and 69 in easy way it can be expressed as 70 minus 1. So we have expressed 69 as 70 minus 1 whole square. Now here the identity will change because here it is minus sign. So identity that we will be using is a minus b whole square, that is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, take the value of a as 70 and b as 1 and insert all the values here and get the square of 69. After simplifying, you will get 4761. Now again one more question, 999. So in you have to find the square of this number. So the easy way of expressing this will be 1000 minus 1. 1000 minus 1 is 999. So we will be doing the squaring of this number. Again you have to apply this identity and then you have to solve it. So here is your answer. Do a simplification by yourself. Now this is question number 8 of exercise 6D. I am reading the question. Find the value of the expression 9x square plus 24x plus 16 when x is equals to 12. Now putting x is equals to 12, we have to find the value. So here is the expression. You have to put x is equals to 12 in the place of x. So 9x square means square of 12 plus 24 value of x plus 16. This means you have to multiply 12 in 2 times. So 12 into 12 into 9. This 1296 you will get. Then 24 into 12, 288 plus 16. Add all. Here is the answer. Now next question is very important question and very easy also. Here in the next question it is given, and that is question number 11. If x plus 1 by x is equals to 4, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square and x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. X plus 1 by x is equals to 4. We have to calculate the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So we have to do squaring both the sides. Whatever operation we are doing in LHS, that is need to be done in RHS also. So therefore you have to do squaring in LHS also and in RHS also. So when you will be doing squaring, after that you have to apply identity, that is a plus b whole square identity. So according to that, a square, this is, so that means square of x, plus b square means square of 1 by x. Square of 1 by x is 1 by x square, plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x, is equals to 4 4s are 16. Now here x and x will get cancelled and 2 1s are 2, and here the expression. The next this equation 2 will go to RHS. So 16 minus 2, here is the value, 16 minus 2 14. So the value of x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 14. In the similar way, if you have to calculate the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, so how you will get x to the power 4? After squaring x square. When you will do squaring of x square, you will get x to the power 4, and when you will be doing squaring of 1 by x square, you will get 1 by x to the power 4. So again, in continuation, this is the second part of the same question. We need to calculate the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So we will be doing the squaring of this expression that is obtained. So again, squaring both the sides. So here you will get square of this a square is, that is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 into a into b, that is x square into 1 by x square. Again x square gets cancelled, and square of 14 is 196. Again 2 will go to that side, and you will get the answer 194. So the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is 194. Now next question, suppose x minus 1 by x is equals to 5, and you have to calculate the value of x square plus 1 by x square. Again the same thing, we have to calculate this, we have to do squaring on both the sides, but here the identity used will be different, that is a minus b whole square. You have to write here identity. I have not written, but you have to mention which identity you are using. So x minus 1 by x whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2a into b is equals to square of 5 is 25. Again x and x gets cancelled, and here 2 ones are 2, minus 2 is there, it will go to that side, it will become plus 2. So your answer is 27. Next is you have to calculate, for the same question you have to calculate the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. So, and you are having the value of x square plus 1 by x square, that is 27. So we will start from here. You have to do squaring of this on both the sides. So here now again plus sign is there, so you need to calculate, you need to apply the formula a plus b whole square. So a square, that means square of x square, plus b square, square of 1 by x square, plus 2 into a into b, that is square of 27 is 729. X square gets cancelled, 2 ones are 2, so here is plus 2 will go to that side, and it will become minus 2. So your answer is 727. Now in the next question you have to find multiplication, or you can say it is given to find product of these expressions. So directly how to find out product, that you see. First method is you can multiply these two, and thereafter from the result you can multiply x square plus 1. That is the one thing. But now you know how to apply identity, you can do it easily. Now you see here x plus 1 and here x minus 1. This term and this term are same, and this term and this term are same. But here is plus sign and here is minus sign. So you need to recall which identity is applicable, that is a square minus b square, because this is a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So this is a plus b and this is a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So that means you have to do squaring. When you will multiply these two, your answer will be x square, square of this term minus square of this term 1. So x square minus 1 will be your answer. Again this takes the form of that identity again, that is a minus b into a plus b, or a plus b into a minus b, that is the same thing. So don't get confused. So again we will apply the identity, it will become x to the power 4, square of x square is x to the power 4 minus square of 1 is 1. So this is your answer. Last question of that the same question, that is 2p plus 3 into 2p minus 3, again 4p square plus 9. This resembles with the same identity, that is a plus b and a minus b. So directly you can multiply these two. So that means square of 2p, that is 4p square minus 3 3s are 9. When alternate sign are there, plus minus or minus plus, here sign will be minus for that identity. and again it is taking the form of the same, that is a part is same, b part is same, you see. So we can apply a square minus b square. So again square of 4p square, that is 16p to the power 4, and minus 9 square, that is 81. So here is your answer. Now question number 14, it is given x plus y is equals to 12 and the value of xy is equals to 14 it is given, and you have to calculate x square plus y square. This is given, you have to calculate x, what is x square plus y square. So first refer book for the question. Now again in the similar way you have to do squaring on both the sides. When you will do squaring on both the sides, then you have to apply a plus b whole square identity. So x square plus y square plus 2xy. So now put the value of xy is equals to 14 from here and then simplify. So x square plus y square plus 28 is equals to 144, and then 28 will go to that side and it will be subtracted. So your answer is 116. Now another question, you how to simplify this type of questions, that is 82 square minus 18 square. One method is you multiply 82 into 82 minus 18 into 18 and then you get it. Now how to apply identity here, that you have to learn now. Here this is in the form of this identity, that is a square minus b square, that is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we are going to split this expression as a plus b into a minus b. So 82 plus 18 into 82 minus 18. Now solve these two. When you will add this, you will get 100. When you will subtract these two, you will get 64. So 64 into 100, that is 6400. This is your answer. One more question. This is from your book only. Exercise question. 198 into 198 minus 102 into 102 divided by 96. So first, when you will write, this will become 198 square minus 102 whole square. Again apply this identity, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b and a minus b. So what you will write here, 198 plus 102 into 198 minus 102. If you will not mention this sign, then also no problem. It means it is understood that here multiplication sign is there. So 198 plus 102 is 300 into, when you will subtract this is 96. 96 will get cancelled. Your answer is 300. So hope you have understood, children. Complete exercise 6D and 6E, and this much for today. Thank you.